Those intelligent could be anyone in your life. They could be one of your friends. They could be your favorite student. Someone from your elders, yourself, or anyone whom you consider to be intelligent. Intelligent person avoid three things in life. Number 1. They avoid unnecessary expenses. They refrain from spending unnecessarily on the things that they are not really in need of. Due to this, they are often misunderstood by society as people start calling them avaricious or greedy, which is not certainly true about them. They are aware of their niche and where they need to spend their money by not spending their money uselessly. They manage their finance in such a way that they can spend those savings on something more important and useful for them. Saving money or not spending too much is not always a sign of greedy or anything like that, but it is a trait which shows the ability to manage finance. Number 2, they are not dependent on others. Being too much dependent on others is a sign of weakness. The more dependent on others you are, the more powerless and helpless you appear to them on whom you are dependent. Sometimes being dependent on others can get you cheated too. Though it is very good to have someone on whom you can count when you are going through tough or dark times, becoming too much dependent on them is not beneficial. Dependency on others makes you lose your confidence in yourself. Number 3, they are not irresponsible. They do their things with responsibility and live an organized lifestyle. But note that living an organized lifestyle doesn't mean they do not have fun. They too. Do fun and enjoy their lives as well. They do not run away from their responsibility. They complete them.